What's good, guys? What's good? What's good? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Just type of one and confirm that you guys can hear me loud and clear. All right. Just let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. We're back on the stream, right? Just let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. And we're good to go. Let me share the stream also here. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I haven't been live for a couple of days, I think. The last time I was live was like maybe last week Wednesday or something. Yeah. Have you taken any trade? No, I haven't. The week just began, bro. I haven't taken any trades, so I have 0 trades right. 0. No trade right now. That's why I came live, so I can discuss trades with you. All right. That's why I came live. Actually. Yeah. Just let me know. Is it loud and clear? Is everything good? Very loud and clear. All right. I'm trying to connect something. We'll look at gold. We'll look at Nasdaq. We're going to look at BTC as well. All right. And then we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll look at gold. We'll look at Nasdaq and we'll look at BTC. Don't you think it's the right time to buy? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens. It looks like price is in this little kind of like a channel. If you look at it like here, right? Been resisting up here. It looks like we have volume for buyers now. All right. Of course, we have a level somewhere here. Let me show you. We have this area of interest. Part of my voice, guys, I've got a stupid code. I don't know. It's got it recently. But it's not going to stop you from going live, right? It's not going to stop you from coming here. Yeah, just part of my voice if it's a bit horsey and, you know, a little bit different. Yeah, we have a resistance. Was a resistance, all right? And price was resisting here. It gapped here this morning. And we saw price going up in Asian session. And we saw price coming down onto this area of interest, right? Onto this level. It's a strong support level, I think. I was hoping that maybe if price was to break this level, maybe something like this, all right? Maybe something like that, and then maybe we'll do something like that. But it doesn't look like that's the case right now, right? It looks like we have so much volume for buyers. And we might push further to the upside a little bit. We might go up a little bit. Yeah, it looks like we might go up a little bit. And if you look at the price action that happened last week, we have an area of interest here as well. Somewhere here. 40880. If we break Asian high, we could go there. I think so. So I'm gonna put a level here. I'll put this right here. Yeah. And I'll wait to see how this candle closes like. Maybe we can make a decision based off that. We'll see. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Share and like the stream. We're back on the stream. Let's let everybody know that we are back here. Share and like the stream right now. Let me share it also to my Instagram. Share and like the stream. Let's tell everybody that we're live trading and they can join. And then that they can join. Your account. What's this? Wow. What's this? I think it's buying. Yeah, it looks like it's buying right now. But I don't know if it's the right time to get into a trade. I don't know if it's the right time or not. Instagram always puts these crazy restrictions on my account for whatever reason. Yeah, like look at this. Like, what the hell is this? What restriction is this? Yeah, I'm waiting to see how this candle closes like. Maybe we could make a decision based off that. I'll let you guys know if I get in the trade and all of that. Let me see here. Gmail.com at gmail.com. How was the weekend? My weekend was good. It was good. It was as good as always. Do you think Spain was deserving of the win? I think so. They performed so well. I think they did. I think they performed extremely well yesterday. Yeah. But we enjoyed the match and other people get paid, right? Yeah. You and I just enjoy the match and some different guys get paid. The sad reality. Yeah. So we're better off being here where we enjoy the stream and we all get paid. Okay. Yeah. So let's share and like the stream. Let's go, guys. Share and like the stream. Let's share and like the stream. I'll let you know if I get in a trade. If I don't let you know here, I most likely will send the trade in the VIP. So make sure you join the VIP. We have a VIP group that we always send trades to. Is gold going to sell? I don't know right now. I don't know right now. It doesn't look like it's selling. What indicator is that, Mr. Nas? Which one? Give me some insight on psychology and discipline. What exactly? Let's be specific. Waiting for Asian sells. No. Waiting for sells at Asian high. Okay. Yeah, there's a resistance level here. Look. There's a resistance level here. What do you have in store for us this week? Bro, there's a lot of things coming this week. Whoa. You'll see very soon. There's a lot of things coming in. There's a lot of stuff that we have in store for you. That I have in store for you. There's a lot of stuff coming. Let's enjoy while we're here. I like how you live your life. Really? How do you see how I live my life? Is it the social media post? That's a small percentage of how I live my life. They deserve to win. Yes, they deserve to win. Guys, what do you think on what's happening on gold right now? What do you think? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys think it's gonna buy? Do you guys think it's gonna sell? Give your reasons too, right? Give your reasons. Maybe say, you know what, I think it's gonna buy because of the resistance level, or I think it's gonna sell because it's whatever. Just give me reasons to. Give me reasons to. Don't just say it's gonna buy. What do you think is gonna happen? I see lots of volume right now for buyers, but I don't know if they're gonna take out this resistance level. I'm not too sure as yet. I just need to wait. If you look at the past price action, it looks like price has been trending to the downside. My assumption was maybe price could be doing something like this, right? Maybe we'll be going up here, then maybe it's gonna come down, right? But we'll see. Let's wait and see. Candles give us a better understanding of what price is doing. They give us a much better understanding, you know, so we're gonna just rely on that for now. Yeah, I want to see if there's any news this week. Inflation, Canadian dollar, I think. Anything with regards to the US? I don't see anything. I don't see anything with regards to the US. I don't see anything. Zero. Yeah, 20th today, nothing. Tuesday, tomorrow, nothing. I don't see anything here. Yeah, nothing important, probably. So it's a clean week. No much economic noise. Call it that way. Right? Iran news. Yeah, maybe all that geopolitical tension, but and the wars, of course. Maybe that. Nothing really economical that's dropping in terms of numbers and all that. Is Messi your GOAT? No. I am my own God. What do you mean Messi is my God? You guys leave soccer yesterday. Leave it in the past. All right. Now we're trading. I think sells because it's daytime there is a low. But Friday was close. Friday closed with a buy. Yeah, if you look at the daily candle, but don't let this mislead you as well, right? Because then sometimes it's just one candle, right? Oh, where did I take this? Wow, bro. Wow. Bring it back. There we go. It's just one candle. All right. And we're breaking the high of Friday. We're also breaking the what? The close. The close of Friday. Friday close right here. Let's see. No rush. Just take your time and wait for the right moment. All right. Just take your time and wait for the right moment. What's happening here on my chart now? The hell is this? Chart won't load. Okay, there we go. This is a 4-hour time frame. We have a very strong support level that price is coming from. I'm gonna pin it here. The level initially is right here. It's a very strong support level. Let's put this line here. All right. This, guys, is a strong support level. Price is coming from here. All right. If you look left, based off this particular time frame, you will realize that there's clean traffic on the left side. All right. It's clean traffic here. Clean traffic means there's nothing that looks like would stop the price from going further up. All right. There's no any area of interest created. There's no resistance close. It does look like the next resistance is somewhere up here. That's what I mean by clean traffic. All right. So if you look here, the big candle, big bullish, big bearish candle, big bearish candle. If you look above it, there's more bearish candles. The only turn we have is this one here. This one. That's the only turn we have. And if you check from here, from where price is to right there, that's over 400 points. 400 points. So we'll see. Maybe if price was to close the way it is, maybe we could make an assumption, or rather a decision, that price would go up. Yeah. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Let's see. Let's wait and see. All right. I'll give you more clarity as candles print. Especially this one is closing in like a few seconds. Closing in like a few seconds. Sales will be better. Okay. I don't know what decisions you're making from that, but yeah. Don't go around giving random babies a bath. Yeah, put that up on my Facebook. I think that's what started the whole issue of Lamille winning the whole World Cup. Why am I a baby and you want to give me a bath? Go give your own kids a bath. Go freaking give your own kids a bath. Why are you giving me a bath? You're transferring some glory, right? Yeah, you're transferring some glory to me. Go give your own kids. Bro, you have your own kids. Go give them a bath. Not me. It's all a joke. It's all a joke. It's all fun and games, guys. Let's move on from that. Let's move on. So I'd wait for breakout there for sales. Okay. A few sells because of the trend on the 4-hour time frame. However, strong support around 39.90. Yeah, this is strong support right here. This one is strong support. We have the first push up. What I'd wait to see to confirm if this support is much more stronger is if we could pull back a little bit, all right, for price to push up like this, which I do think could happen, to be honest with you. Like, based off the kind of price action we're seeing here, I do think that this could happen. If we were to get sells, guys, take note of this, right? If we were to get sells, subject to confirmation, only if price was to break below this level. Okay, so take it from me. Sells below here, all right? If price breaks here, sells below here. If price comes down, creates support, we see bullish candles closing and price is going up, I would buy because price would go up. All right. And obviously the third thing would be if price breaks this resistance level, then we could look for continuations up. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But it looks like we haven't really decided where. I mean, if you're scalping, yeah, you could have bought here because, well, price was in this support level, and then you scalp all the way up here, which is good, right? But we haven't broken Asian high for us to confirm if we're going to be maybe going long Okay, so we have to break Asian high as well. If we break it, then we could go up. All right, so just look out for that. I'll let you guys know if I get in a trade. I'm still here. Came here late. Are you in a trade, sir? No, bro. I am not in any trade. I'm not in any trade. Fly that's bothering me. Get out of. Let's go, guys. Share the stream. Share the stream. Share the stream. Let's make it happen. Make sure you join the VIP as well. I have a VIP platform where I share most of my trades. Last week was a bit slow. Not much trades. I think we had like maybe four, 3 trades, I think. Yeah. The other one we closed prematurely. Then not really prematurely. I think we closed based off the fact that price was guys, I need to deal with this fly, right? The stupid fly flying all over my face. Let me open one of my windows. Guys, open actually. What's up? Yeah. Why is bothering me? What indicator do you use for sessions? It's called New York Happy Hour. You could check it out on TradingView. If we break above 43.0, it's going to buy. Okay. We'll see if that happens. We'll see if that happens. We still have a long way to go though. Let's see. The candle's closing bearish. No, not really closing. I think it's printing bearish. But if you go on a 5 minutes time frame, it's closing in like seconds. Signs that price wants to pull back a little bit, right? Yeah, signs that price wants to pull back a little bit. 2 things could happen, guys. 2 things. Price would pull back somewhere here, create support on the 5 minutes time frame, push up, or pull back, break this level, then sell. So we're waiting for that. All right. Let's see if any of that could happen while we're on the stream, that we could get a trade. Okay. What's happening in my chart? There's delayment and loading here. What's this? Okay, there we go. I'll take out this for now, right? So that I don't confuse you guys and you're wondering, what are we doing? Are we buying or selling and all that, right? This is waiting for proper setup, proper confirmation of an entry. How often do you come live? As often as I can, actually. I'll come here more live if you guys like the stream and you like and share, then I'll be here more often. All right, so like and share, then you convince me to be here for even a much longer period. I'm trying to share something here. I don't know why it's failing. I want to put this on my Instagram. Live now. London stream. Yes, it's a London stream. No, this is not okay. What other assets should I look at, guys? Let me know in the chat. I'm going to look at that. All right. Just let me know in the chat. Do you ever scalp? Sometimes I do, actually. Sometimes I do. But I'm more of a day trader than a scalper. But sometimes I do scalp. It's quick, good money. But it's also very risky. But what's not risky in trading, right? What's not risky? Shoot the fly. I lost $15,000 on gold. Not much. Not much. Bro, you need to figure out why you lost that much. Muhammad says he lost $15,000 on gold. You need to figure out why you lost. You're probably doing the wrong thing. There's strategies to this thing. Figure out a good strategy that works, and yeah. You could join my VIP or you could join my free course. I've got a free course link somewhere around this video. Link somewhere around this video. Are we waiting for gold? Yes, we are waiting for gold. Right now, we're waiting for gold. We just want to see what happens. I noticed your strategy is very powerful. Really? That's good. That's really good. I'm impressed that you noticed that. Yeah, Andrew says join the VIP. This guy has been getting good payouts from a platform based off the fact that he's in the VIP too. One of my good friends and also one of my students in the platform. So if he says join the VIP, you need to listen to him because he has results backed by his word. So join the VIP too, guys. Join the VIP. It's a very good platform. You get the most out of it. When I'm not live here, I share trades inside there. Of course, we have bad trades as well, in as much as we have good trades, but we have more good trades than bad ones. So try it out and see how it works for you. Is it free? Yes, it's free. Free for free. Meantime is free. Meantime is very free. The hell is this, bro? What the hell is this? 1 second, guys. 1 second. Alrighty. Let's go, guys. Like and share the stream. How much is learning your strategy? I have a free course actually, though it's beginner course. To learn my strategy, you need to check the links in the description. We have a paid course that we're offering, and I think it ranges from $250 to $500 in between that. How are you doing today? I'm good. I'm good. What other assets should we look at, guys? Let me know. We're waiting for gold, yes, but what other assets should we look at? If you look at the 5 minutes time frame, you will notice that we have this little bearish candle that looks like it's trying to push price a little bit to the downside, but we'll see. What other assets should we look at? Your thoughts on gold? Exactly what's on the chart right now. Although I don't have a straight bias yet. Overall, I'd say 60% I would be looking for this. Okay, 60% of the time, I think price would do something like this. All right, but maybe 40% would break here, retest this level, then fall down. All right, so let's just wait. All right, I don't think we have a clear directional bias right now. We need to give time for price to print a little bit. I think from the open we gapped a little bit, then we only been ranging since. Okay, we pushed up a little bit, then came down. Probably would call it a range because then price hasn't moved significantly. Right? Okay, let's check out Nasdaq here. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening here. First thing I see is we have a what do you call this? What do you call this? What exactly do you call this? We have something like this right here. What do you call this, guys? Yeah, if you can see it. What do you call that? First thing I see is that. But I need to establish my bias too. I see we have an area of interest exactly here. It's quite a big area of interest. Support level, for lack of a better term. Support area here. Yeah. How about we say if price breaks here? Very simple price action. If we say price breaks here, we should up. How about that? Yeah, because if you look left, there's clean traffic here too. Yeah. How about that? I think so. I honestly think so. That's what I think. when I opening slots for the master torch. I don't have any master torch right now. No master. Yeah, this is what I think is happening on Nasdaq. Yeah, I think you watch out for this level. Yeah, because I mean, this level is also in close touch with Asian high. All right, so if we break Asian high, we could shoot up. Right, but Nasdaq has a tendency of moving in. Guys, I need to kill this fly. I need to test it out. Give me a second. Why is this fly bothering me? You get out of here. Yeah. Whatever. Fly wants to be part of the stream. Music is a bit too loud, really. Okay, let's reduce the music. Let's reduce it. I'm better with technical analysis, but lack fundamental knowledge. I need help. Hit me up, bro. Hit me up. Send you some resources. Maybe that could make a difference. But if you're good at technical analysis, trust me, you could still be profitable. Yeah. Fundamentals really align in the same direction as your technicals. Most of the time. You figure out that, right? If you'd ask me, half of the people that trade technicals and are so good at technicals, they don't worry about fundamentals, to be honest. Like, because most of the fundamentals that come out later on, they pretty much like align with their technicals, right? Yes. If you're really good at technicals, I think just focus mostly on your technicals. Right? Don't stress yourself so much and try to understand the fundamental game and so on. Yeah. You could just try and focus so much on your tech. Because guess what? If you check out even like let's say last week, right, we had CPI, right? This was a CPI move. Half of the guys that caught this move, most of them don't even understand from the fundamental perspective. If you were to ask them, like, what do you think made this happen, right? Or what is the reason behind your entry based off this push up? They'll tell you, oh, because CPI, CPI came out negative. Bro, CPI came out negative. You were already in the trade and it played out. All right. So you can't tell me you saw the fundamental play out, all right before it actually happened. So most of the guys that caught this move, they use their good setups, technical setups, and it aligned with their fundamental setup. All right. Yeah, I mean, let's just be honest. Let's not beat around the bush. Most people who trade fundamentals, all right, they're so good at technicals as well. They're extremely good. So if you're good at technicals, it's very easy to catch fundamental moves as well. Pretty much, if I put it that way. All right, but yeah. Anyway, it's just it is what it is. Okay, price is pushing up. Let's see. No trade yet. I have no trade yet. I'm not even pressured though, to be honest. I'm not pressured to ensure that I get a trade. News follows technicals, exactly. Most of the time, I would say 90% of the time, fundamentals align with the technicals. So there's no such a thing as you can be extremely so good as a fundamental trader, but you still need the technicals, pretty much because your entry needs to be timed, right? You need to time your entry, and how you do that is just not from the fundamental perspective. You most likely would use your technical. But if you're good at technicals, like I say, you obviously find yourself catching most of the fundamental moves, because then it's going to align with the fundamental play out, all right? Yeah, but if you don't understand fundamentals, just stay away and just trade your technicals. When there's news, just back off and wait until price settles down and then just trade your technicals. Yeah. What strategy is this one we are using on gold? It's simple price action mixed up with station and volume profile. Volume profile is just seeing candles close based off the size of the body of the candles, and you can make a decision based off that. It's nothing complicated, to be honest. It's just based off how certain candles are closing, then you can read the volume in the sizes of those candles. So that's pretty much what's happening here. Yeah, man, there's bullish volume right now. You guys think it's gonna break this high? Like this volume we have on gold, is it gonna break this resistance level? You guys think it's gonna break it? Tell me how to join the VIP. There's links in the bio or links in the description to this video. This video right now. This video has a description. Check the links down below. Are you buying or selling? I am doing both. I am doing both. I'm buying and selling. No, I'm not doing anything right now. Right now, I have no execution, no reason of entry. All right, so we're just chilling right now. We're waiting for setup. Maybe it's gonna come. Maybe it's gonna align after London is done. Maybe, but we'll see. What other assets should I look at? I've looked at Nasdaq. I looked at gold, which is what we have here. Priority. Yeah, someone says I think you missed the buy at 4,000. Yeah, 4,000 here. I wasn't live then. I came live when this candle was up. Yeah, this buy was, yeah, it was a good one though. This one here, quite a good one. Ask me. Well, we missed it. What can we do? We just wait, right? We wait for the next setup. Let's just wait for the next setup. It's gonna come. Do you have anything else you do besides trading? Yeah, I do, but trading is the main thing that I do. Actually, trading is the main thing that I do. I think price is gonna reject at that resistance. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Someone says yes, it will break. No, I don't think it's gonna break. Check the price moving on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, it's moving on a 15 too. We're not rushing. Let's look at BTC, right? I saw BTC was buying pretty well on Saturday and slightly yesterday, I think. Oh, yesterday actually dropped. No, this morning. This morning there was a huge drop. I was buying most of the weekend. Yeah, most of Saturday was buying. Most of Sunday spent its time ranging. Then it bought afterwards. Then it, fell down. I do think that price is coming back here. This has been a very bearish market. I think price is coming back here. Let's observe and see what happens here. Yeah, let's see what happens. There's also a fib level that we can stretch from this high to this low right here. My thoughts, price going here, doing that, doing this, and then falling. My thoughts. Right? This is BTC, guys. BTC USD. So then you can watch this level as your sell zone, right? I'll put this here. We have a sell zone here. Let's watch this. We have a sell zone. Yeah, we have a sell zone. What indicator do you use to mark those stations? It's called New York Happy Hour. Go check it out. I hope you use it the same way that I use it though. Because I don't use it for indication. There we go. Fine. So we could sell off this level here, guys. BTC USD. We'll see what happens. But this is the sell zone. Just so you know, this is a sell zone. And some of the trades that we do have while we on the stream, sometimes they play out after the stream. Because then price takes time to move, and has to align with certain certain ways in which it's moving, and eventually gets to play out afterwards. So we'll see. Stop, Jaden. How did you come in? Lock the door. Oh, Rabo is sleeping. Okay, can you go play? I'm gonna come. Okay, let me finish what I'm doing. All right. Yeah, boys on holiday, guys. Let me let him up. Let's go, bro. I always lock the door. Boy always finds himself in. I try to make sure he doesn't disturb me, but he always finds himself. Link to the VIP. It's in the description somewhere. Just check it out. Just check it out. I want to learn how to trade. There's links everywhere, bro. There's links in my bio. Links. Just make the effort and find the link. All right. If you don't find the link, you just can't get in. Your son is grown. Yeah, he's a big boy. I'm better at technicals, and I want to just remain a technical trader. Okay. Nice. The bot works perfectly and so quickly. Great initiative. Thanks, Jonathan. Yeah, we have a bot that admits you instantly into our VIP. All right. You interact with the bot, instantly you get access. All right. You don't need to waste so much time talking to an admin or something. If I don't trade live here, most likely I'll send trades inside the VIP platform. Yeah, that's the VIP. We had a trade last week, this one. This trade ended up sailing. We took this trade. We ended up closing, I think, like 35 points, negative 35 points. Because then it started ranging before it could move. And I told everybody, it's going to consolidate a bit before moving in our favor. Our advice on re-entry. Well, price played out exactly like that. But then I missed the re-entry. All right? But hey, we've had good trades. We've had good times. Look at this. We've had good times. Great times. So join this platform. Join. My next trade, I'm most likely dropping in here. Join this platform. It's been a good July so far. I'm not the type to take 1,000 trades in a month. I'm the type to take, maybe by the end of the month, 20 trades. The max I'll do, maybe 30 trades. That's extremely so much as well. Because then I take like on average 5 to 10 trades in a week. Rarely do 10 trades. So on average, I'll take like 6 trades in a week. 5 to 6 trades, right? So if you do 5 times 4, on average, I'll take 20 trades or less. Yeah. In a month. Yes, in a month. I don't take like 50 trades. Some of you guys take like a lot of trades and so on. Right? So I don't take so many trades. So you get in here, you find out that I trade less, but every time I trade, it's very, very good. Like, it's very good setups. Yeah, so join. It's free. We have 600 people right now getting trades for free. You guys can also be part of that. All right? Join the winning team. Let's go. Alrighty, we're waiting for BTC here. We'll see what happens here. Still has time to, test the waters, maybe Because before price would move down, if you go on a 5 minute time frame, price does not just move down like immediately here goes down. All right, it's quite rare that that happens. All right, so price is gonna do that. It's gonna come back in the level, you know, what they call, what you guys call what? What do you call it? Taking out liquidity. I don't know what you mean by that. I hear terms like that. Taking out liquidity. Yeah, price will come back. You know, then it's gonna go down or whatever. It's gonna range a little bit before it can fully go to the downside, right? So you need to be very patient and time the entry, right? So I don't think right now is a perfect time to get into a sell. That's why I say this is just a sell zone, but we need to wait for confirmation to sell around this zone. All right. So no confirmation yet. So we're just gonna wait and see. Are you in a trade? No. I'm not in a trade. In trading, most pay attention thing is what liquid time zone, another thing. What do you mean by that though? I don't understand what you mean. If you check, US index is going down, so gold might buy. I do think so too, to be honest. I do think that gold might buy. Yeah, it's already buying, but I do think that it might buy even further. I'm just gonna wait if we could get a. I told you I'm waiting for two things, right? I'm waiting to see if we could break this resistance level for a continuation to this area, right? So break here, continuation to here. 500 points, right? So, okay, fine. Break here, continuation, break here, continuation to here. All right. If we don't break there, maybe we get to this exact level as we are right now. We could retrace maybe. If we do retrace, I'll wait to see if we can maybe create support, then we could buy further. All right. The only time, listen to this, the only time that I'll look for sell is when price breaks this area of interest. That's the only time that I'll look for sell. If price is sitting above this level, I'll strictly look for buys. Did you guys hear that? Yes, if price sitting above here, I'll strictly look for buys. I'll look for maybe price to pull back and create support on a 5 minute time frame, then I can buy. All right. But the only time that I will sell is if price was to break this level, then we could go down. All right, I can't stress that enough, guys. And some of you guys say he doesn't give us trades on the stream. He doesn't. I've done everything. I trade live here. You know, sometimes we get a trade, we're trading live. Sometimes I give trades and they play out afterwards and people still complain. You know, people still complain. But yeah, I think the guys who have ears just heard what I said here. All right. Okay, Nasdaq is breaking this level. Looks like it's gonna buy as well. I think I mentioned this even earlier. I don't think it's the right time to get in though on Nasdaq, but I think it's gonna buy with time. Yeah. I think people already sold. Yeah, maybe, but there's no reason, honestly, to sell. There's really no reason, right? Okay, there's no reason. I'll take out these for now so that maybe I don't, you know, confuse you with so much on my chart. Yeah. Basically, buy above here or buy when price retraces back. Okay, or sell below this area of interest. Only sell below this area of interest. That's pretty much what I think. Guys, let's like and share the stream. Let's go. Let's like and share the stream. Let's like and share the stream. Tap the screen as many times as you can. Tap the screen. Let's go. Oh man, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful week. We haven't made any money yet, but I know it's going to be a good one. I know it's going to be a good one. I know it's going to be a good one. When are you holding the next class on this strategy? I don't know, no dates yet, but I'll let you know if you have any. Sometimes I take breaks from hosting strategy courses, and yeah, if I do host another one, I'll tell you. And maybe you'll be updated. I'll post something or something. You're the best, Mr. Nas. Thanks, bro. Thanks. This is what I really like about you. You don't rush the trade. You have the patience. Yeah, you have to wait, to be honest, because if you don't wait for the right setup, you just get caught up in something that isn't a good one. Right now, I know there's people who bought, and maybe they're posting, and they're extremely excited about the fact that they bought, and you might be on the other end feeling pressured that, hey, I'm missing out. I need to get into a trade right now. Let me just buy. And you might buy and price sells, and you might actually regret that decision. All right, it's it's a thing of FOMO. I think it's a thin line, between you getting the right setup based off your own strategy and you just trying to fear the idea of missing out on a trade. All right. So personally, the way I do it, if it doesn't align with how I trade, I just don't take it. I just don't take it. I just wait for the right setup, and yeah, it doesn't cost you a lot. Just wait, and then it's gonna come to you. Just wait, and it's gonna come to you. You've been live trading for so long now. I've been here since day one. Awesome. Thanks that you've been here since day one. Do you think we could retest the supply on top of the consolidation? We'll see. Only if it breaks it, then we could see if that happens. If we sweep, well, okay. If we sweep those early sellers, price can go for the liquidity trend line below. Well, let's wait and see what the market wants to take price. Where the market wants to take price. Oh, okay. Sweep. Okay. I bought at 4409. Nice, beautiful. 4409 is where? Is somewhere here. Okay. Impulse execution, right? Impulse execution based off this candle being in motion. So you did something like this. Maybe you were here, and then you're like, you know what, fine, I'm gonna buy exactly somewhere. I think you bought exactly somewhere here, and then maybe you put your stop here, and then maybe you're doing something like that. That's good. Quite fair, to be honest. Quite very fair. All right. I'm not in a trade personally. I'm gonna wait for maybe that, and then this. Okay. Or wait for a breakout here. I don't think a breakout is happening right now, but we'll see. Let's just wait and see. Because right now we had Asian station high, and two things could happen. Asian station high could act as a major resistance level, as what you can see here, or it could act as a very good buying spot if we get a breakout. Some people are so ungrateful. Okay. I don't know what you mean though, but what's happening here? What's this? My chart won't load. Oh, Let's not move this. Let's take it back. Price hasn't broken out though. Yeah. Price looks like it's in motion here. I don't think it's time. Honestly, I don't think it's time. Here, I don't think it's time. If I miss the trade, it's gonna hurt though. But I know I don't think it's time. Here, I really don't think. I don't think it's time yet. If you look at the lower time frame, we'll see. We'll see. The fact that there's money involved, I want to make the best decision. To be honest, the fact that there's money involved, you want to make the best decision. You want to wait for the right setup, and it has to be convincing. It shouldn't feel forced. If it feels forced, it's a red light. Yeah, so if it feels forced, it's a red light. Don't do it. It has to feel like this is something I've done before, and if I'm doing it now, it's gonna play out. Yeah, I'll probably end the stream in like a few minutes, guys. Then if I get it set up, I'll come back here again. Or if I don't, just join the VIP, right? So you're updated on the trades that I have. I came to give analysis, and if where possible, if I had a trade, I was gonna give it, but I don't have any so far. 53 minutes into the stream. Yeah, I might leave very soon, and then just trade with the VIP if I get a trade. Or if I get one closely, would come back for stream again. We'll see. Depends on if time allows me to do that. But I'm still here for a bit. I can't watch you on YouTube. Why? Could there be returns if someone invests 30,000 after learning your strategy with good risk management? What do you mean? What could be the return? I don't know. To be honest, I can't tell you what the return can be if you invested so much. Wow. Look at this breakout, guys. Wow. The price looks like it's breaking out now. Okay, let's wait. Let's see how this kind of closes like. Let's see. Everything's pointing towards a bull run. Everything's pointing towards that. Let's drag this a little bit below here. Let's see. Are you still planning a bootcamp? Yeah, I'll let you know if I do one. We're on the resistance level. This is the level we've been waiting for, to see if price can break or can reject off this level and come down. So let's just see. I do think after such a big impulse move that price should come down a little bit. Honestly, I do think that after such a impulse move, price should at least come down a little bit. Maybe come down to here before it could push up. This is what I think. And this is how markets move, right? Yeah, I do think after such a big move like this one, price should come down a little bit before it can push up. $290 points. Wow. Do you use Fibonacci? Yeah, I do use Fibonacci. I use Fibonacci quite a lot as well. This candle has no low at the bottom. Does it have? No, it doesn't have. 30 minutes time frame. Now, I think we need to wait for price to retrace. Yeah, it needs to come down and maybe be more decisive. Is it good to trade BTC and Nasdaq during what? Doing fundamentals or just focus on gold only? You could trade them too. They're good assets. Are you able to share your FIB settings? Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? Where is it? Look. Right there. Right there. You see it? Yeah, it's right there. Okay, I think you got it. Yeah, this candle's pushing down. I don't think you should buy here. Don't buy here. I don't think you should buy. I think price is going to go down a little bit. I think price is going to go down a little bit. What could 30,000 do with your strategy on good risk management? It can do everything and anything, bro. It can do anything. You could grow that 30,000 to 100K. You could grow that 30,000. You could even blow it actually. Now, but with good risk management, you could do anything. Over time, you could grow that account gradually. Maybe over a period of like 3 months, you could grow it gradually to like 50K, maybe to like 60K. Gradually, you could do that. Yeah, there's a big bearish candle here, guys. This means price should push down a little bit. Price should push down a little bit. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to end the stream right here. To find out my next position when I get into a trade, make sure you join the VIP. Right now, when I end the stream, check for links in my bio. Join this platform, all right? Because inside this platform is where I'll send my next trade, all right? So if I'm going to sell, if I'm going to buy, if I'm going to do whatever I'm going to do, the next trade, I'll send it inside here. It's free. You guys can join in right about now. All right. So go interact with my bot on Telegram and get inside, right? So you get notified on my next trade so you don't miss out on it. All right. I'll end the stream right now. If I get an entry, I'll send it inside here. Hopefully you enjoyed the stream, got some insights, and also just got to understand what could happen for the next coming few hours of the day. All right. No trade taken on the live stream today. No trade taken on the live stream today. I might get a trade soon though. If I do get one, I'll send it. I'll send it inside here. Most likely, put it inside here. So make sure go join in. Check the links in my bio. Check the links in my description on YouTube. And let's have fun. Let's have a beautiful week. It's about time, guys. Let's make that money this week, right? I feel it. This week, I feel it. I feel it so strongly. I do feel it. Make sure you join in so you could be part of us as well. All right. So you don't miss out on anything that we have going on. All right. So right now, peace out. Enjoy. Have fun. Trade safely. Have a good one.